our topic is terminating and non-terminating decimals amma. Terminating and non-terminating. Terminating and non-terminating decimals. Let's see here. Terminating and non-terminating amma. So terminating is also called a recurring, non-terminating is also called non-recurring. Okay na? Let's see what is terminating means. So whenever the number is perfectly divisible, then the remainder is 0 is called terminating. Right? Then whenever the number is not perfectly divisible, then that is called as non-terminating simply. Right? See, it has one formula, that is 2 power m into 5 power n. Simply I am saying here 2 power m into 5 power n. See, whenever the given fraction, the denominator satisfies this condition, then the number is belongs to terminating. Right? For example, 5 by 20. Right? So take the denominator 20. Then 20 is satisfying the condition, then it can be terminating. Otherwise, it is non-terminating. Let us see here. When 20 is equals to, write the factors of 20 means 2 into 5 amma. Right? We have a doubt. So how can we get these factors? Let us see here. The simple way to do the LCM of 20. Then 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. Right? Then we get it these values. See here, then we write down 2 into 2 means 2 square into 5 to the power of 1 amma. See here, 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. Right? So this condition satisfying here, 5 by 20 is a terminating decimal. Right? Then let us take on another one, non-terminating decimals. See, 13 by 21 amma. 13 by 21. So take the denominator 21. So 21 is not the form of 2 power m into 5 power n amma. Because of 21 is a odd number, it cannot be satisfies this condition. Hence, the given number is non-terminating decimal. Clear? Right. See, if you have one confusion to solve this method, then you have another method amma. Simply you have to do division, then 20 divided 5 amma. See, 5 fours are 20. Okay na? The remainder is 0. So see, whenever the remainder is 0, then the number is called as terminating decimal amma. See, let us do like this also. Then 13 divided by 21. 21 divided by 13. See, 13 ones are 13 amma. Remaining 8. Here the denominator is not 0. It is called as non-terminating decimal. Clear? Got it all of you? Okay amma. So this is called as terminating and non-terminating decimals. Right? Next. Loss of logarithms amma. See, first one, log x to the power m base a amma. Log x to the power of m base a is equals to m log x to the base a. Right? Next, number 2, log x plus log y is equals to log xy. Right? Next, number 3, log x by log y to the base a is equals to log x minus y to the base a, or we can write down log x minus log y to the base a, right? Next, number 4, log a to the base a is equal to 1 amma. Log a to the base a is equals to 1, right? Next one, or suppose log x to the base a to the power of m. Log x to the base a to the power of m is equals to 1 by m into log x base x. Okay na? Here also x amma, right? Log x base x. Next see, then log a to the power of log a base a plus n, okay na, to the base a is equals to n amma. Log a to the power of log a base a plus n is equals to n, right? These are the laws of logarithms amma, right? So now see some problems. See, first one, log 16 base 2 amma. Log 16 base 2. See here, it is very easy. Logarithm problems are very easy. So while we are doing the logarithm problem, just try to do the base. Okay now, just try to see the base. So base is how much given, then we have to see, then write the number to the power of base. See, like that here I am doing 16 given, the base is 2. Now I am changing the 16 into 2 to the power of. Okay now, see. So 16 amma, then I am doing here 2 LCM. 2 8 the 16, then 2 4 the 8, then 2 2 the 4. Right, now I am changing the 16 into 2. 16 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. Why? Because of here you have 2 4s, then 4 2s, then you have to 2 power 4. Right? Substitute here in the replacement of 16, 2 to the power of 4 base 2. Right? You have one formula, log x to the power of m base a is equals to m log x amma. Okay na? Log x to the power of m base a is equals to m log x. It means power is right down the front place. See, what is the power here? 4 is the power. Write the front side. Then 4 log 2 base 2. Right? Again you have a formula, log a to the base a is equals to 1 amma. Log a to the base a is equals to 1. See, log 2 base 2 amma. So in this place you write down simply 1, which is front side amma 4. Then 4 into 1 is equals to 4 amma. This is the answer, right? So while we are doing that LCM, LCM and transform into the number to the power form, then we have to guess the answer. Then how much power you have, that is the final answer. Clearly got it? Okay now, right? How much is the power? That is the answer. See here, you have power 4, the answer is also 4. So that's why, so before conversion of the number into powers, then you have to do clearly, then that is the answer. Right? Next one. Next one, see here, log 3 to the base 81 amma. Log 3 to the base 81. Sir, now we said that, so that the base, compare it to the base, so how much the base is given, then we have to write the power of the given number, no sir. Then how like we do means, it's very simple. See, So wherever the big number is having, they have to compare to the smallest number. Amma. See here 81 is the bigger number, then 3 is the small number, then you have to convert the power to compare the smallest number. See, take the bigger number and do the LCM, then you write the power. Amma. Then I am taking that number 81, so then 3 table, 3 2 is 6 Amma, then remaining 3 2, then remaining 2 here, then 21, 3 7 the 20, 3 7 the 21, then 3 9 is the 27, again 3 3 is the 9 Amma. See here, then I am writing 81 is equals to simply 3 to the power of 4 Amma. Right? So now substitute 81 in the replacement of 3 to the power of 4. Let's see, log 3 base 3 to the power of 4 Amma. Right? You have one formula. What is that? Log a to the base x to the power of m is equal to, what is that? What is that? 1 by m log a to the base x. Okay na? And what is m here? M 4. Then you write the 1 by 4 Amma. Then log 3 base 3. Right? You have also one formula here. Log a to the base a is equals to 1 Amma. Right? Right? See here, log 3 base 3. Then in the replacement of these term, we have to keep 1. Then what is the forward here? What is the before 1? 1 by 4. Then we have to multiply 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4. This is the answer. Right? See here also same. Whenever the base is having the power, then the power is the fraction form answer. When that power is having this place, I mean this is the number we have to power, and that is the power answer. Right? Next, last one. See here. See, it is very easy and it is 2 marks important Amma. If x square plus y square is equals to 2xy, then show that 2 log of x plus y is equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 2. Okay na? Let's see here, simply we will do here. See, given that, first we write down given that, it must and should. Okay, what is given? X square plus y square is equals to 2xy Amma. Right? First we have to apply both sides, add 2xy Amma. Okay na? See, what is that? X square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to, then 2xy plus 2xy. Right? See, you have an expression here, x square plus y square plus 2xy means x plus y whole square is equal to 2xy plus 2x means 4xy. Right? Now apply both sides log Amma. Okay na? Logarithm. So see, log of x plus y whole square is equals to log 4xy Amma. Right? See here you have one formula, log x to the power of m. It means m log x, no? See here, m log x means m log of x plus y is equal to log 4xy. See here, log 4xy. Here you have two terms in this. For suppose 4 is, we assume 4 is one term and xy, this is one term. See, log xy. Log xy means log x, the log 4 plus log y means log xy. Right? Now here also you have two terms. One is x, one is y. see log 4 plus here log xy. Log xy means log x plus log y. Okay na? Right. So see here you have 4 amma. Then 4 is converting into powers model. Then how can you written as 2 square, right? Plus log x plus log y. Okay, right. Then you have a formula log x to the power of m means m log x, no? Then m means 2, log x means 2 plus log x plus log y. Right, see now you write properly. Then log x plus log y plus 2 log 2 is equals to what amma? What? 2 log of x plus y is equals to, see what is showing here, 2 log of x plus y is equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 2. Same we are getting answer, 2 log x plus y is equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 2, right? So this is the today's session amma. So thank you. If you like this video, please watch, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.